Yo, what's going on? Top of the morning. Hey, you want some free money, completely free money? All you gotta do is sign up. Hey, if you don't have a Chase bank account, currently right now, to I want to say June 15th, so you ain't got that much long to go, Chase is giving away a $200 bonus with every new account. All you gotta do is open the account. You could do it all online. Open the account, make a deposit. Make a simple deposit. A deposit of $1, $2. You could do it from, if you got the Mezzu app, and if you need the Mezzu app, I got a link in there, because you could download the Mezzu app. You're going to get $5, and you can go ahead and deposit the $5 that you get straight to that Chase account, and you'll be good. If you got a Square, you could do a transfer there. If you got Cash App, you could put your account information on your Cash App and set up a deposit to go there, and it's easy. But most people, what I'm saying, what they're doing is they're going ahead and clicking on the link, making their account. After they make their account, they're going down and they downloading this Mezzu app, and there's a link down there too. The Mezzu app is giving everybody $5 as soon as they download the app, and then they're putting their Chase information, because you're gonna get it automatically in their withdrawal information on the Mezzu app, and they're just making a quick withdrawal, and boom, boom, boom. So in turn, if you want an extra $200, they're giving $200 bonus for checking, and they're giving a $150 bonus if you open up a savings account. So I don't know if you can do both or choose one, but regardless, this is free money. You can get this. It comes within 10 days after your account has been verified and they sent out your debit card and everything. You get the bonus in 10 days. All right. Hey, free, clear, no issues. Click the link and get started on it. All right, man. Have a great day. I'm out. Chase is giving away money. Chase Bank. Bet that.